Hello everyone, in this video we will show you how to stop crawling and discourage search engines from indexing your sites created on xCloud. Let's get started. First, log into your xCloud account. From the dashboard, navigate to the Sites tab at the top. Click on the site in which you want to configure search engine visibility from the website list. Now, select the Site Settings option in the left side panel. Head over to the Search Engine Visibility section. Then toggle to discourage search engines from indexing this site. Click on the Save Settings button to proceed. You will also find this option on your website's WordPress admin. Let's see how that works. From the WordPress admin dashboard, go to the Settings tab in the left side panel and select the Reading option. In the Reading settings, put a check mark to discourage search engines from indexing this site in the Search Engine Visibility section. Hit the Save Changes button once you are done. This is how easily you can discourage search engines from indexing your site in xCloud. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Get in touch with us if you have any questions. Happy hosting!